Most people believe that window tint is just for looks, and while it does make your vehicle look more cleaner and stylish, the benefits are far beyond that. Window tint helps reject heat, keeping your vehicle cooler and more comfortable during hot summer days. No more feeling like you're stepping into an oven every time you get in your car. It also blocks harmful UV rays that can damage your skin and cause your dashboard, seats, and interior trim to fade and deteriorate over time. And for many drivers, the added privacy is a major bonus. At Tint Pros, we offer 3 levels of nanocarbon ceramic protection. Our VC series provides up to 68% total solar energy rejection and up to 79% infrared radiation rejection. Our VF series provides up to 69% total solar energy rejection and up to 88% infrared radiation rejection. And for maximum performance, our VS series provides up to 72% total solar energy rejection and up to 97% infrared radiation rejection. Take for example this G63 AMG, which has UltraFit's carbon nanoceramic window tints all around. Now, as you can see, the sun is completely beaming down on us. We have a laser thermometer to show you the outside difference and the interior difference of the vehicle. So with the sun hitting the ground, the temperature is reading 112 degrees Fahrenheit. So this car has been sitting here for over an hour in the blistering heat. We're gonna show you the difference in temperature it makes. It's coming out to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. So why Tint Pros? With over 20 years of experience, certified installers, a climate-controlled facility, and a lifetime installation warranty, you can be confident your vehicle is getting the best treatment possible. A common question we get is, my rear windows are already tinted. Do I only need the front too? Most factory windows are simply dyed glass. They provide the look but not the heat rejection and UV protection that window film provides. Another question we get a lot is, do I need my windshield tinted? The windshield is the largest piece of glass, and because of that, it lets in most of the sun rays that goes straight into your cabin. Even with a nearly clear film, you can still receive UV protection, heat rejection, and even interior protection. Window tint isn't just about making your vehicle look better. It's all about staying cooler, protecting your interior, and protecting yourself against harmful UV radiation. Protect your vehicle, protect your comfort, and even protect yourself.